Have you ever opened social media and suddenly felt like you were falling behind? Someone bought a new house. Someone got promoted. Someone is traveling the world. And before you know it, you're asking yourself, what am I doing wrong? The strange thing is, just a few minutes earlier, you felt completely fine. Nothing in your life changed, only what you saw. So why does that happen? Because your brain is naturally wired to compare. Thousands of years ago, comparison helped humans survive. It wasn't about feeling bad, it was about learning from others. But today, instead of comparing yourself to 20 people, you're comparing yourself to millions. Every scroll shows another perfect moment. A vacation, a new car, a dream job, a happy relationship. But that's only part of the story. You don't see the debt, the stress, the failures, or the lonely nights. You're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. And that's a comparison you'll never win. Here's another problem. Comparison quietly changes your definition of success. Maybe you were happy with your apartment. Then you see someone living in a luxury house. Suddenly, what you already have doesn't feel enough anymore. Your life didn't get worse. Your expectations changed. And expectations can steal happiness faster than failure. Companies understand this very well. That's why advertisements don't just sell products, they sell lifestyles. A watch becomes success. A car becomes freedom. A phone becomes status. The goal isn't simply to make you buy something, it's to make you feel like you're missing something. The truth is, there will always be someone richer, someone smarter, someone more successful. If your happiness depends on being ahead of everyone else, you'll spend your whole life chasing people you'll never catch. So who should you compare yourself to? The person you were yesterday? Did you learn something new? Did you become a little healthier? Did you save a little money? Did you become a little kinder? Those are the comparisons that actually improve your life. Success isn't about beating strangers online. It's about becoming someone you're proud of. The next time you catch yourself comparing your life, pause for a second. Ask yourself, am I seeing someone's whole life or just their best moment? Most of the time, it's only their best moment. Everyone has struggles. They just don't post them. At the end of the day, the only life you'll ever truly live is your own. So spend less time watching everyone else's story and more time writing yours. If this video made you think differently, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.